Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to translate any words from one language to another language in Google Sheets. Let's say here I have some words. So hello, how are you? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and goodbye. So I need to convert these into other languages. So you need to do one thing. So just select any cell and write this command equal to and select Google Translate here. And here you need to select the word, this one, comma, and what the language it is. So it's in English. So I'm selecting the source language as English. And what's your target language? And I'm converting this to Hindi. So I'm entering HI in colon and close and just click on enter. It will take 1 or 2 seconds and converts. See here. And if you drag this here, so it will convert all the other words. See here. So in this manner, simply we can translate in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video.